My Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is looking a little bit dull, and today I'm going to fix that with some metal polish. This bike has taken me all over the place, and I love this chrome tank. I love how shiny and mirror it is. It just looks sick, but this engine cover, it's just not doing it for me. So I went out and I bought this Autosol metal cleaner, which apparently works really, really well on this exact engine casing. So today I'm going to be putting this on the engine casing to try and brighten it up and make it look a little bit better and slightly closer to the chrome that's on the tank here. Before I get started with the metal polish, I'm going to give this a bit of a clean with some water first. It's definitely water, not vodka. The brake here, the brake pedal being squished up against it when I dropped it on my leg the other day. And yeah, just lots of embarrassing things basically. Okay, now apparently using less of this in little areas is the way to go. So let's give that a try, I guess. I've never used this before, so I'm just going by what it said on the website. Holy shit, look at the black coming out of this. Oh my God, it smells so good. That's concerningly black. I can't really tell if this is actually working or not, but the black coming out of this is unexpected, to say the least. I'm gonna get stuck into this, so let's hit fast forward so we can get to the end result of what this actually looks like. All right, I've successfully made this thing pretty black, and I don't know if that's much better than it was, but we'll do like a before and after. I'm gonna grab myself another microfiber cloth here and just give it another smoother round, this time around the whole thing. Cloth made black. And now I'm gonna use this one to put some water on it and give it a bit of a just water polish and see if that makes it nicer or if it helps at all. I don't know. Just the shit coming off this is incredible. I'll give it one more round with the microfiber and the actual metal polish itself. And there we have it. I don't know if that looks any better than it did before. There's I don't know. It's not quite as shiny as that, and I don't think it ever will be, but I mean, we've gone through microfiber cloth after microfiber cloth, and they're just all black and horrible now, but yeah, I don't know. Is it any better? Or am I just absolutely wasting my time here? You know what, I reckon if you kept polishing this, you kept going at it, maybe if I used like a polishing end on a drill and really buffed it out, I reckon then you could make it look pretty good. But I'm absolutely gassed. Trying to get that done, that would take me about an hour, I reckon, to do by hand. And don't think it'd look that good, that much better, but let me know in the comments below what you think. I'll do it before and after. That's what it looks like now, and you can see next to it on the screen, that's what it looked like before. Thanks for watching, guys. We're here polishing the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, and I'm getting ready for an adventure on this bad boy, so I just want to make it as good and nice as possible before it goes out on an adventure with me. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you on the next video.